Hi, I am Mihin Satsara. I am CMJD student from batch 105. Currently, I am doing Bachelor of Information Technology external degree at University of Colombo. While doing the degree, I found out about this CMJD diploma through my colleague at the university. Before starting this course, I had only basic knowledge about Java. However, the CMJD program has taught me how to develop software applications to industry standards. It is highly beneficial for my academic pursuits at the university as it has helped me gain valuable hands-on experience. I should also mention about the lecture panel here at the IJSC. They deserve special recognition. They have an outstanding team that combines expertise with a strong dedication to student success, offering exceptional guidance and support throughout the learning journey. And finally, if you are an undergraduate who is struggling with your coding skills or striving to enhance your coding abilities, this IJSC is the best place I can recommend for you. Thank you.
IJSE, Institute of Software Engineering. www.ijse.lk